ellipse. It should be correct only, but I don't know. There's something wrong. So last time I'll run, and otherwise we don't want to waste time here. Because we have given the proper way, so there is no doubt in that. That process will follow that. That's it. So it will definitely work. You don't need to worry about that. Yeah. Yeah, there is something wrong. Okay. It's okay. So you don't need to worry about that. Right, next test case, that is last one pending, that is product details space. So this one, right, product details space test. So there we have taken all the metadata and also price data. So we have written so many test cases that you need to validate. So let's go and do that. So write that test case itself. So if you want to go to product detail space, what are the test cases you need? You might need, we'll take a my account page example. Okay, just I'll copy this and then paste it. Just change the name, product details page test. Product details page test. So click on finish. So product details page test. So we need all this home page, login page. If you want, you can keep it, but you are going to login, product details. Yeah, you will log in. My account page, you will go. Logout also you need. Results page you need. And then, so what else we need? Product details page we need. So the main thing. So what we have given the product details. So here, the product details is the one. We need this one. Just copy paste that. So yeah. product details, just give the driver. Okay. So we have taken the proper the file path. Then first you need to navigate to login page, then do the login proper. That's a perfect. So we don't need to change anything, that one. So in the before method, just my account page, we are waiting for that. That is also fine. And so here, the first test case, what we are doing here is, we have to verify the product image to test. Basically, each product, how many images you are getting. So in this, so how many images you are getting. When you search it, to login, let's go to login. So test @123. So here, when you search particular product, for example, you search MacBook, okay? So this product, here you have to select one of them. So like a MacBook or MacBook Air or MacBook Pro. So any one of them you choose. Click on this, suppose. Here, how many images? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So like that, each product, you have to find out how many images are there. That is what we want. So that's the first test case we are going to do. Second test case, we'll get this metadata and price. So that's the other thing. Then you can click on add to cart also, another test case. So that is the, so 2 test cases we are going to do. Let's see how to do that. First one, so you have to perform the search, then you have to select the product, then you get this images test. That's the total so steps you need to follow. So let's go and see that steps one by one. What is the first step? You logged in already, you reached the my account page. Now you need to perform the search. But you have to give the product, right? First, this is also input. That also input you provide from data provider annotation, because I'm going to do multiple products. So that multiple products we need to search one by one. So MacBook, you have seen MacBook, MacBook Pro, right? All these 3 products you can give, or Samsung one you can give, Apple one you can give, like that multiple products you can give. So remember all these products. So we'll search for all these products. And that's what I'm going to do. I will first prepare the data provider annotation. Data provider annotation, we'll prepare one data provider annotation. @ so data provider public, so object to 2-dimensional array, object to 2-dimensional array. So product image test or something you can give, product image test data. So that's a method name I have given. Then you can create a directly return. So object to 2-dimensional array. So you have to give new object 2-dimensional array. So you can create an array. So each row, this is the one row. So how many rows you want? You can create multiple rows. I'm just creating multiple rows. And so these are the things. But how many columns you want to give? First, so search product, okay? That's the first one. So all 3 products are there, that one. One is my product name, right? Second, the product, what is the product you got in the search results? So you got MacBook Pro and MacBook. So what is a MacBook Air and MacBook, right? So that those are the things you need to provide exactly. Then how many images are there? So you have seen 4 images are there. Same way you prepare for the second one also. MacBook Air also. Just go and check manually, you test it. MacBook Air. So how many are there? So you don't need to do blindly. So you just see MacBook Air, click on this, choose the product. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is also having 4 only. And then, so there is one more iMac is there. So iMac one product, search it. So this is the one. And search it, how many are there? 3 are there. 1, 2, 3. So just give that product name. So iMac. And next one also iMac. Next also 3. That's a 3. So next we give a Samsung. Okay, Samsung also you can search. Samsung. So Samsung, you can choose any one of them. So I'll choose this one. See here we have many, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 are there. Okay, so that we can find out. So
in 61 line, the MacBook Pro Air is there. Just MacBook Air, right?
Oh, yeah, okay. MacBook Air only. Yeah, right. So then you can give Samsung to product name. Samsung and comma. So any product you can give, right? So this or this one, in the search you have this one, right? Either this one. This has only one image. So I'll just give this one otherwise. Let's give this one. Exactly give product name. So then 1. Then last one we can give Apple. Okay. So let's go and give the Apple. Search it. So then you will get this. This is the product name. This is the product I'm going to choose it. So give here double quotes Apple. And comma. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. So you give 6. So this is the one, each row. And the first one is your search one. Second one is you are choosing the product. Then number of images, 3 pages. This is the my account page. This is the search results page. This is the product details page. 3 pages. So each page, what is your input? That you are giving that your input here. Then write this test case. Verify the product image. Product images test. Product images test. Okay. So what are the keywords? This is the one. First keyword is string search keyword. That's the first. You have to give all what keywords you are giving. Search keyword. Second one, the product name which you are choosing. So product name. And third one, so int img count. So image count basically. So these are the three things you have to choose from there. So I'm going to write verifying the product image test. So verify product image test. So verify product image test. That's a yes.
We could not hear your voice.
Sorry, yeah. So already we have a product search here. I'm just going to call here. Okay, this is the one. Sorry, this is the one we want. This here. So my account page, the search keyword you need to provide here is performing the product search. Okay. But what is this? So add throws declaration, you add it. After search, so what you want to do? So it will go to product results page. So then wait for the results page. Then, so you are verifying some, but that's not necessary. What you have to choose the product. Next, you have to choose the product. So that product you have to choose it in the results page. So let's choose the product. So log.info, just choose the product. In the results page, you have to choose it. Log.info. Select the product from search results. Okay, then so from which page? This page, results page. Results page dot select product, right? Select product. So the product name you are giving, which product you are selecting, that product name you are. So then it will go to product details. This is returning a product details page. So this is giving this page, this object reference. This object it is going to give. When you select, it will take you to this page. From this page, you get the all the result count. So int, so fetch the product image count for each product. So maybe you can write for a log.info. So fetch the product image count for each product. So int, so actual product image count equal to, so product details page, so this one, product details page dot, so get product image is there, right? Get product information, product image one should be there. I think we didn't write one. We have written, right, one method. Product image count. Why it's missing? Let's go and see here. Product image. Yeah, here it is. Product image list. Right, product image, product information page, it is there. Product image, get product image count. We didn't write that. Get product. Okay, we missed that. So let's write that method, simple method. It's a integer. It's an integer value we need to write. Get product image count. I'll write one more method, simple, public. So in get product image count. So if any methods are missing, you have to write like this. Okay, return this collection dot. Directly element we cannot use because it's a private. That's why you're developing a method. And this method you call there. Now you can call the method. You got the, so then assert it, just quickly assert it. We just quickly assert it. So assert dot assert equals assert equals, and you can give this count and what is the count here. So in the data provider you have written, right, that one. So that's it. And so tomorrow we'll finish this and we'll run in the different test cases. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.